Hello. To explore project finances for project managers, we have logged in with a project manager profile. In another video, we are going to explore the project management for financial managers, as both of them contribute to the financial management of a project. We navigate to projects through projects. We open the running project pricing policy project. In project planning, the invoicing model was used to schedule the work packages invoicing. To proceed with invoicing, the project manager should set the progress of each work package. There are 3 ways to set the progress of a work package. The first one is from Project's Actions button, selecting Project Progress Management. If the work package field is left empty, this progress percentage is referred to the project progress. The second one is from the Gantt chart, right-clicking the work package's schedule duration bar or clicking the Actions button and selecting Set Progress. Similarly, the project progress can be set. When required, we can send notifications regarding the progress of the project or a work package. The third one is, inside the invoicing model, populating the estimated completion percentage. If the estimated work package completion is equal or greater than the scheduled work package completion for invoicing, it's time to invoice the work package. The invoicing button turns into green. Clicking on it, the project manager sends a task to the project's division invoicing group to invoice the specific work package. So, now, the invoicing tasks have been scheduled. The invoicing group manager receives tasks notifications, she completes the invoicing tasks, and the project manager receives system notifications for the task's completion. Going to the invoicing model, he can check that the invoicing of the work packages has been completed. Let's proceed with the rest of the project finances. While the project is running, each member of the project team adds tasks and expenses using timesheet. These pending hours and pending expenses should be approved by the project manager. This can be done inside the project using the Pending Hours and Pending Expenses tabs, or using the units Project Expenses Approvals and Project Task Approvals. To navigate there, click the Application menu button, select Projects, and then Project Task Approvals. We select specific period of time and the desired project, and we click Reload. In any case, the pending task can be approved or rejected. Rejecting a task, we should type the rejection reason. Let's go back to the Project and the Pending Hours tab to approve the tasks. If a professional has no sales rate, a respective message has appeared on your screen. Now, let's click the Application menu button, select Projects, and then Project Expenses Approvals. We select specific period of time and the desired project, and we click Reload. The pending expense can be approved or rejected. As in case of tasks, the rejection should have a reason. The project manager has the option to download the receipt to check it. Now back to the Project and the Pending Expenses tab to approve the expense. After approvals, the pending hours are transferred to Resources Used, Income and Expenses, and the pending expenses to Expenses. Going to Income, we can add any other income we may want. In the same way, going to Expenses, we can add any other project expense. Integrating Comidor with the ERP. We can access the actual sales invoices through Revenues tab, and the real costs by the respective tab. Let's access the intercompany invoices. The system can invoice another division for work performed by professionals who belong to it. This enables us to manage intercompany costs and revenues. Clicking the checkboxes of already approved labor hours, we can select to invoice them. The invoice records turn from white to yellow. The respective invoicing tasks are sent to the manager of the project invoicing group of the professionals division. The specific manager receives notifications for the intercompany invoicing tasks and she completes them. Finally, the project manager takes notifications for the completion of the intercompany invoicing tasks and the invoice records turns from yellow to green. Work in Progress Worksheet enables us to check the work in progress on a specific balance date in terms of finances. So, we get informed about critical financial amounts for hardware, software, labor and other services, such as estimated cost, which is equal with the budget expenses. Contract, which represents the budget income. Job-to-date cost, which is the sum of the actual expenses till the balance date. The gross profit, the difference between the contract and the estimated cost. The gross profit as percentage of the contract. The percentage of project completion in terms of costs, which is the quotient of the job-to-date cost and the estimated cost multiplied by 100. The annual return to date, which is the actual income till the balance date. The balance, which is the contract minus the annual return to date. In other words, how much money we have to receive. The annual return percentage remain, the financial amount we have to receive is percentage of the contract. The percentage of completion. For labor, this is the percentage that the project manager adds manually when he sets the project progress from Project Progress Management or Gantt chart. For any other service category, this percentage agrees with the percentage of project completion in terms of costs. The work in progress booked based on costs. This is the estimated cost multiplied by the difference between the percentage of completion and the annual return to date as percentage of the contract. The work in progress calculated based on costs. This is the contract multiplied by the percentage of project completion in terms of costs. The work in progress as revenue. This is the contract multiplied by the percentage of project completion. The work in progress, which is the annual return to date, decreased by the work in progress calculated based on costs.